there are 80 minutes left in Delaney's shift at the bakery, and she has a lot of cookies still to bake. Each batch of cookies takes 1 minute to set in the oven, and then they bake for 12 minutes per batch. How many batches of cookies can she bake completely before the shift ends? So this is a 3-point problem. It's pretty straightforward. Let's take time till you calculate and think about it, and then if somebody ready, they can talk us through. What do you guys think? So take a little bit of time. Okay, Ilana, go ahead.
So first of all, each bag of cookies takes 1 minute to set up, and then they bake for 12 minutes, which makes 13 minutes for a full batch of cookies. So then you do 13 plus 13, which is 2 batches of cookies. And then I did 26, because 13 plus 13 is 26. So then I did 26 plus 26, which became, and each 26 was 4 batches of cookies. And each bag, 26, 2 batches of cookies, and the answer was 52 for 26 plus 26. So 52 was 4 batches of cookies. And then I did 52 plus 26, which is 78. And that would be 6 batches of cookies because 52 is 4 batches, 26 is 2 batches. And then there's only 2 minutes left, which means that you cannot make another 13 minutes batch.
Right. So 78 is the closest to the 80 that we had before, right? Everybody agrees? And the counting of how many cookies is there is pretty straightforward. We had 2, then 4, then 2 more, and you get 6. So 6 is the right answer.